everyone, I'm Stefania from One of a Style. Today I want to talk about shoes. Shoes are indeed a key element to create our outfits, both for men and women. And they follow fashion trends. So what happens is that they change colors, shapes, and embellishments throughout the years. So it has become important to make a shoes detox every now and again. How to do a shoe detox? Here are my top tips. First of all, take out all your shoes and ask yourself which one are you wearing the most? And for those you are not wearing, ask yourself why. Are they comfortable? Are they outdated? Maybe you have nothing to wear with them. Whatever is the answer, ask yourself if it's worthy to keep them. Otherwise, get rid of them. So make your selection, and before putting them back, try to find combinations with all your clothes in your wardrobe. And also take photos if you want, because this is really helping you to remember your combinations. And so this is helping you with your daily dressing up. It's going to make it easier and quicker, trust me. And the other tip I want to give you, when putting back your shoes in your shoe rack or whatever, ensure that all the shoes you have are visible. This is because when we don't see something, we tend to forget it. And the risk is that we can buy something almost identical to what we already got. The last tip I want to give you is, while doing the shoe detox, write down a wish list. If you think you really miss something, write it down, and when going to shop, stick to your list. This is really helping you to prevent wrong purchases, unnecessary and impulsive purchases. Of course, if you need a professional help, I'm here. Get in touch and let's chat.